When we say shopping in Chennai, we get reminded of places like T Nagar, Pondi Bazaar, or Paris Corner. Chennai also has a fine range of amazing malls to rely on for some serious shopping sprees. Here is the list of the best malls in Chennai. 1. Phoenix Market City, Chennai. Phoenix Market City is every shopaholic's dream come true. Spread over 5 levels including the lower ground and the ground, the mall promises you an end-to-end shopping experience, ranging from clothing and accessories to electronics and grocery, and everything in between. The mall also has an in-house boutique hotel for business meetings and accommodation. Location: 142, Velachery Road, Indira Gandhi Nagar, Velachery, Chennai. Timings: weekdays 11 am to 10 pm, weekends 10 am to 10 pm. 2. Express Avenue Mall, Chennai. Express Avenue Mall is a popular shopping center in Chennai built by the Indian Express Group inside the historic Indian Express estate. The mall houses the largest gaming arcade in South India, 4 floors of retail space, a corporate affairs block, and a luxury 4-star business hotel. The 8-screen multiplex at Escape Cinemas can accommodate 1600 movie buffs, while the entertainment area including the gaming arcade serves as every gamer's paradise. Location: 2 Clubhouse Road, Express Estate, Royapeta, Chennai. Timings: weekdays 10:30 am to 9:30 pm, weekends 10 am to 10 pm. 3. Spencer Plaza, Chennai. Spencer is one of the oldest yet most visited malls of all time. Renovated in 1985, Spencer has 8 floors of retailing splendor. Everything from apparel to aesthetic equipment can be found here. Music, food, health products, home decor, jewelry, confectionaries, footwear, gemstones, banking solutions, herbal products, toys, tea, porcelain, transportation services, travel solutions, you name it, and Spencer Plaza has it all. Timings: 10 am to 10 pm. 4. Chennai City Centre, Chennai. Chennai City Centre is centrally located and easily accessible from every corner of the city. It has a special indoor entertainment area for kids, a cricket zone for sports enthusiasts, and the Inox multiplex for movie lovers. Chennai City Centre is also surrounded by many tourist attractions like Marina Beach, Kapalishwar Temple, and the magnificent Santhome Basilica Church. Location: Dr. Radhakrishnan Salai, Loganathan Colony, Mylapore. Timings: 10 am to 10 pm. 5. Forum Vijaya Mall, Chennai. Forum Mall lodges more than 100 stores occupying its 4-storied building. It has the Palazzo Multiplex by Spi Cinema with 8 screens and an IMAX screen, which can cater to the real-time cravings of movie buffs. The 7D Cinema, Forum Express, and VR games at this shopping mall are sure to keep you entertained for hours. Location: 183, Arcot Road, NSK Salai, Vadapalani, Chennai. Timings: 10 am to 10 pm. 6. Amper Skywalk Mall, Chennai. Amper Mall, which proclaims itself as Mall for All, and rightly so, has it all. Hosting some of the best clothing brands, this mall is the party house of fashionistas in Chennai with a good blend of both modern and traditional clothing labels. Shop clothes, bags, shoes, watches, cosmetics, jewelry, electronics, and everything you want till your heart is full of content. Location: 1. Nelson Manakam Road, 627, Punamali High Road, Aminjikarai, Chennai. Timings: 10 am to 10 pm. 7. VR Mall, Chennai. Recently opened in 2018, VR Chennai is one of the best shopping malls in Chennai. The mall has a PVR multiplex with 10 screens, 240 retail stores, a 50,000 square feet co-working space called The Hive, a dining facility called Madras House, a boutique hotel, an amphitheater, and even residences. Shop everything you want. Location: Inner Ring Road, Tirumangalam, Anna Nagar. Timings: weekdays 11 am to 10 pm, weekends 10:30 am to 10 pm. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel.